Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got here it's just been released, brand new. It is the campervan motorhome, the new Malibu Genius. Is that a good translation? Probably not. I'm not getting it very good here. Anyway, it sounds better in German than it does in English. Genius performance, and let's have a look inside. Well, I like the color scheme, I've got to say that. So if we step up inside, we can see what we've got. Relatively straightforward, simple, not too innovative here. It looks very attractive, but where things start to change is in fact already here. So we've got two burners. We've got here the we've got our sink there, small sink. Here we've got the fridge. Here we've got storage, and there's the bed at the back, and that's looking down into the garage. We've got the storage going all the way back with a ledge there, window at the back. Let's come around here. We've got more storage under there. Pretty good. Standard fare though, really, for Malibu, even though it is pretty good. And on the other side, we don't have something like that, but we do have drawers which will open, and I'll demonstrate that they open by opening them. And we've got more storage around there. In here, we've got something which has been well thought out. This will open like that. This will come open here. That's open with magnets, and so this forms a sort of there you go, dressing room, Umkleidezimmer. And here we've got the shower. Here, where's the toilet? It's gone. No, it hasn't. It's under here. It's one of these toilets that slides in and out. It's under the front bench. That's done to save space. What's down here? Bit of storage. What's here? That'll be the sink. And what's here? So, and we can actually extend this to make the shower unit even bigger. Right, let's now come out. There's a bit of storage there, same as in the camper vans that Malibu do. The other camper vans. Obviously, we've got here in the kitchen block. We've got here now. So I'm now going to come out and come round, and let's have a look out here. And oh, sorry, brilliant. Sorry, somebody else making a video. So there we have the boot, the rear, the garage. What's in here? There's the gas. Now we've got storage up there as well. This here is a carrier for a bicycle, and this is now the bit I just cannot understand. It's because what we've got here is a 6 meter long Mercedes Sprinter, and they've stuck on this bit here. Alright, so there you can see that's where the join is. Join goes all the way up the top. They've put this over here so you can't see the join in that bit of the area, but there they've joined this bit on to give, and we can see from this vehicle what they've done. We've got this bike carrier which slides in and out. Now this vehicle here is costing around 125,000 euros. So that then is a very clever, very innovative, whatever the word is. I'm tired. I've been talking all day. It's evening. That will then slide in there, get your bikes out. Very, very clever. Let's go and have a look at another one over here. So before that, once more, there's the bit it's been joined on. This one here, it's even clearer because it's in white. And here you can see we've got the join, and inside it says an innovative. I can't say it any longer. heck extension, rear extension. This here, we can see very clearly, it does say don't do it, wait for the people from the stand, the people of expert personnel, and I'm certainly not an expert. So that's there, it comes out, you stick your wheel on, and then you're off on your bicycle. Genius performance. Let's come round here and have a look. Now here they've done something else. This does make sense for me. This is a way of storing things. I mean, it's a storage unit. It really comes out easily. You just pull this thing up here and the whole thing comes out. See if I can do it with one hand. See if I can do it with one hand with holding the camera. There you go. There you go. Right, and you get a stack of stuff in there. Now that makes sense. I can see the point of that so far. Let's see if it goes back without. Oh, there you go. Clicks back in place very easily. Very nice. I like that. And there's the join. Now, to me, I can't see the point because of the costs involved in sticking on this rear extension. To my way of thinking, well, why don't you just get a bigger van? Why not just get the 636 centimetre long van, or the 7 metre van, which I presume that Mercedes still does in 4x4 configuration. I don't know. Anyway, I'm a big fan of Malibu as a rule. I do like the vans. I think they look very nice. I really like the innovations inside. I like the way the beds are laid out and things of that nature. So one or two things I'm not so keen on. Oh, I like the style as well. In fact, if any company wanted to sponsor me, then I believe it should be Carthago, because it's really sort of, Carthago is a sort of, it's me. Not only was it my first van, but it's sort of me anyway. But even though I'm a hardcore cyclist, no, I'm not really that hardcore. I'm a sort of I'm a cyclist, put it that way, not hardcore. I'm a cyclist. This, I don't understand it. I can't see the point. Anyway, good. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, and so I've got the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. So if you're looking for something, you might actually find it here. I've been living in the van since 2011, so I've got a reasonable amount of experience, and I also upload places I've been to, and I'm traveling between Poland and Germany most of the time. At the moment, all the best from me, and bye for now.